So our shoes, we're going to look at pants or skirts. So with the pants, we want to make sure they're not tight so they don't, you know, he'll, grab your skin to the pieces. So no, you don't want to do that. So you want to keep them that's no cutting into, and you want some pants that are fitting and loose. So you want to think about that, and you can use the ones that are stretchy. So that also gives you, helps you. So think about the stretchy parts. So mine right now are not stretchy, so it makes me a little tighter, and that makes me harder because I have a catheter. So you don't want to do that. So once in a while I do this. So once in a while not today, but later. So think about that. It feels good, feels comfortable, feels, it wasn't, it was easy for you to put them on and take them off. So you'll think about that. So skirts. Let's think about skirts. So with skirts, there's a lot of skirts out there, and they're really nice if you're going to work or you're going to an event or, a situation. So you have, you want to be careful with your wheelchair not to get skid. You don't want to get caught in to what? Yep, wheels. You don't want to get use skirts caught into your wheels, the first ones or the second type of wheels. So you want to be careful with that. That would be messy. So you want to be careful in your wheelchair. So skirts, I don't use skirts until, I really figure out how am I going to sit in a way that I don't get pulled out my wheels. So I got to be careful of that. So really for pants, really think about ways that are good for use, that are stretchy, comfortable, that are either pants or, ones that are for the guys or for the gals that you feel that is comfortable, and they're not too easy, but they're not way too tight for you, because that will not help the skin, and not so you really want to be careful. So, and I have catheters, so that is another situation. So you want to be careful as a catheter user, that your pants and skirts are, that are comfortable, and you want to be comfortable, and that's really important to think about these things with your shoes, with your pants, with your skirts, that things, that are comfortable when you're on your wheels. Now, some might not have to use wheelchairs, every day, but some of us use quite a bit of wheels. So so I tried to, I want, I have ones right now that are not very stretchy, so that I have to be careful on how much my catheter doesn't in the bag doesn't get too tight or too full. I don't want that mess, so I have to be careful with that. So those are little things. Also in the pants, there are types of pants. You can zip them down, and they have open, and they have an area where you can put your catheter bag in there, and then you zip it on. So I have two pants, but mine don't fit for my bags because they're too big. But it's a good idea if you have bags that are smaller than in these types of pants. You can zip them down. You can open. They have little pouches, and you put your bag in the pant, and then you can zip it up, and you're good. So those are very interesting, but I can't use them every day. So I use them anyway, but I slip on from the back, not in the pouch. So they have usual pouch and both sides for the pants. So you can find those usually in Amazon. I've seen them. And I got mine from Amazon. They were pretty good. And they were, I can't use them because my bags are a little bit bigger. But if your bags are smaller, then they'll use that type of pants. And just look at the Amazon or other places that help for those who are using catheters. They might be able to have different types of pants, and that works them, that they can have zippers. They can pull them down, or they have buttons on the sides where you can pull those out, and then put the buttons back on. So that's another way for pants that might help. I don't know about skirts, but in pants you have for zippers, or you have the buttons. So that's a different way, especially if you're just starting. You can use pants for that type until you get better and stronger. Just your wheelchair and yourself, and pants that are more stretchy and good spots for you to wear. So these are just ideas for pants or skirts and things to be careful. Skirts especially, don't get them tucked. Don't get them caught in the wheelchair, in the wheels. So think about those. All right. So don't forget me and Lisa, and mark me with a like, and for a subscriber, or for a subscribe, and that will help us a lot as channels. So thank you so much, and think about it, and think about your pants and your skirts. All right? I'll see you soon.